Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw after account closure at eTrade, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw funds after your eTrade account has been closed, start by locating your confirmation email. This is the email eTrade sends after your account closure. Check this email for any specific instructions or details about your account balance. If you have a remaining balance, gather your banking information for the withdrawal. Next, visit the eTrade website and log in to your account. If your account is completely closed, you may not be able to log in. In this case, reach out to eTrade customer support for assistance. You can contact them via phone or through their online chat service. When you reach your representative, explain that you would like to withdraw funds from your closed account. Provide the necessary identification information to verify your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, ask about the process for your withdrawal. They may provide you with a form or additional options for accessing your funds. Be prepared to provide your bank account details for the transfer. Confirm any fees that might apply to the withdrawal. Follow any additional instructions given by the customer support representative. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your bank account for the deposit. It may take a few days for the funds to be processed and appear in your bank account. If you don't see your funds within the stated timeframe, follow up with eTrade customer support. Make sure to keep all correspondence for your records. This will help ensure a smooth withdrawal process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.